Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. Alright, it is fairly easy to fix. Let's say, for example, I'm going to open up Word right here. Alright, now what we're going to do is just go ahead over to the bottom left and click on Accounts. Alright, as you can see here, my product is activated. I will be able to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on and so forth. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to make sure here is that you actually bought the activation or the license. Alright. Now, there are some unconventional ways right there that you can follow in order to get free access of Microsoft Office. But in this tutorial, I'll show you the good way. All right, go ahead and go to your favorite browser and make sure that you sign in with your account or Microsoft account. All right, once done, make sure that you've bought any of these options right here. For example, this one, Microsoft 365 Family, which is $412.99 a month and $129 per year. It could be $99 per year if you're using a personal account. All right, just go ahead over to this process right here, and once done, it should automatically activate your Microsoft products. If not, just go ahead and click on sign up, then sign back in, and you should be good to go. Or maybe this error comes because you have signed in to a different account. You just want to go ahead and click on switch account right here and hit on add account, log into the account where you bought the license. All right, and then once done, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.